Hello children, Meenakshi Sinha is here with a competitive questions. Interesting questions, very interesting questions. We have to find the radius of a semicircle which is described inside a rectangle triangle. एक rectangle triangle के अंदर एक rectangle triangle, this is the rectangle triangle. उसके अंदर एक semicircle describe किया हुआ बनाया हुआ है. कैसे बना हुआ है? इस तरह से बना हुआ है. I am trying my best. This was the semicircle. This is the semicircle. Tangent at N and A, B, C. This is 90 degree. Okay. We have to find the radius of the semicircle. Condition is this. This side is given to us 1 unit. And this is √2 unit. Only bars. This is the case only. Now we have to find the radius R of the circle. Okay. This point is O. It means OA will be equal to R. This will be equal to R. And if we drop the perpendicular, if we touch this by this will be also R. Because this is tangent. This is 90 degree. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 and angle B and angle C are not known to us. Let us suppose this is theta. Let angle B is equal to theta. Okay. If angle B is theta, it means we are given AB and BC. Then for tangent for this triangle, for angle theta, AB is the base upon hypotenuse is equal to CB. That is nothing, that is equal to cos of theta. Okay, cos of theta. Cos of theta means this will AB is equal to 1 and root CB is equal to √2, that is cos of theta. And cos theta, the value of cos theta if equal to 1 upon √2, then theta will be, it means theta will be equal to 45 degree. Or we can say that angle ABC is equal to 45. And because this angle is already 90, it means this angle, hence angle ACB also be equal to 45. In the case of angle which when two angles are equal, then this side will be automatically equal to this side. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये वाली it means that AB arm which is equal to 1 cent unit थी, this will be also equal to CA. CA will be also 1 unit. Okay, this is 45. This will 45 इधर देखते हैं. This will 45 degree. This angle will be 45. This angle will be 45. And AB, this whole arm will be equal to this arm. AC will be equal to AB. AB will be equal to CH. Okay, correct? Now, R is to be find out. अगर देखा जाए, if we see that these are the two tangent from external point B. If the tangent drawn from the external point on a circle, they always are equal. हमेशा बराबर होते हैं. It means, as per the theory, we can say BN and AB, they both are tangent on semicircle. It means AB will be equal to BN, that is equal to 1 unit. Okay, पहले बात. अच्छा, now it means this portion become 1 unit. Okay, this BN. Let us take this triangle O and C. In triangle O and C, ON is equal to R, okay, and this angle and angle O and C is equal to 90 degree. Also angle NCO 45 already we have proved. NCO is equal to 45. It means this angle will also be 45. It means angle CON, this will be also 45 degree. इसका मतलब क्या? It means that this arm will be equal to this arm. It means further that ON will be equal to NC, which is equal to R. This will equal to CN. It means this portion become equal to R. Okay, CN become equal to R. Now, this CB is equal to root of 2. It is divided in two portions, CN plus NB. Now further, CB, this can be written as CB is CN plus NB. CN plus NB. Okay? CN plus NB. CN is equal to R and NB is equal to 1. CN is equal to R and BN or NB is equal to 1 unit. Okay? This is equal to CB is equal to root 2. Already given to us. That is root 2. It means R will be equal to root 2 minus 1, that is 1.414 minus 1 equal to 0.414 unit. 0.414. This is the answer. Answer will be R will equal to 0.414 unit. This is the answer. Interesting and easy. Keep join with my channel. पसंद आया है लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊंगी. गुड लक फॉर यू. थैंक यू. गुड नाइट. सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, लाइक करना ना भूलें.